Okay, let's talk about selecting effects or selecting items in your sky field that you've already placed in your timeline. There's multiple ways to select, and we're going to cover quite a few in this little demo. What you can do is you can actually click on its trail. When you highlight over it, you've now selected this one particular firework. If you want to select more than one, you can hold down your Shift key and click on a second one. Now you have two items selected. Another way that you can do this, I'm going to click off of these two, is you can use a lasso method or a click and drag. You get out here outside and you can click and hold, and you can start to draw what we call a lasso or a selection box. And any firework or effect head that I get over, it will start to highlight. As you see, I can highlight more than one. So here is where we can get all of these, and you say, okay, so now I've selected more than one effect. But let's say you didn't want this one in the middle. Well, what you can do is hold down your Shift key at this point and find that one right there in the middle and click it, and you've unselected that one. And say you didn't want this other one, you can unselect it. If you missed and you want it back, you just select it again. Okay, so that's an example of selecting one or more than one firework, different methods. Another method, let me click off of all of these, is down here on your timeline. You'll notice that when you mouse over these effects that are on the timeline, it shifts the focus as to each effect and where they are on this timeline. So all these are appearing almost in the exact same spot in time. So as I move around, I'm highlighting different ones, and when I see the one I want that one right in the middle, I can find it. If I click at this moment in time down here, it became highlighted, as you see. You can also select more than one down here. So you can click here and hold and drag, and you'll notice as you drag over their bubbles, you will then be highlighting them across that timeline. So now you've multiple selected that way as well. That's it.